In last classes, we have discussed about different types of movements in plants or responses in plants. Different types of responses. Okay. Usually tropic responses or tropic movement. In last class, we discussed about tropic movement. We have discussed the different types of tropic movement. Phototropic movement, or phototropism. Next, chemotropism. Next, thigmotropism. Next, hydrotropism. Next, geotropism. Like this, we have discussed about different types of tropic movement. Okay, different types of tropic movement. Okay, now let us discuss about the responses in plants and stimuli. Okay, responses in plants and stimuli that are responsible for the responses in plants. Okay, yes. First observe phototropism. In phototropism, first stimulus. Stimulus is light. What? Stimulus is light. Next, responses. This is a tropism. Okay, here tropism. In phototropism, stimulus is sunlight. Stimulus is sunlight or any other light. Okay. Next, response is movements are bending towards the light. Bending towards the light. This is the stimulus. This is response in plant. Now, second one is chemotropism. Second one is chemotropism. In chemotropism, stimulus is chemical or chemical substance. Chemical substance. Chemical substances. Next, responses. Responses usually germination. For example, germination of pollen grain. Germination of pollen grain. Okay. Next one. Next, for example, geotrophism. Geotrophism. Geotrophism, observe carefully, means in this type of tropism, stimulus is soil or gravitational force. Okay, soil or gravitational force. Okay, geotropism, important one. A response, growth towards the growth towards the stimulus or growth towards the soil, gravitational force. Okay, next hydrotropism. In hydrotropism, stimulus is water. Response, growth towards the water. Towards the water. Next, thigmotrophism. Here, stimulus is support. Response is growth towards the support. Yes, these are important tropic movements or tropism. Okay, these are the stimuli responses. Observe different Okay, observe carefully. Okay, these are the tropic movement. Next, Next, Gnostic movement. Gnostic movement. What are Gnostic movements? Gnostic movements means response or movement in plants. Listen carefully here. Response or movement in plants. This is very important one because of a stimulus. Because of a stimulus. For example, observe if direction of the movement in plants is not determined by direction of the stimulus, then those movements are called Gnostic movement. Means direction of the stimulus. What? Direction of the stimulus is not determined by direction of the stimulus. Listen carefully. Here does not determine the direction of the response. This is the Gnostic movement. Observance. If direction of response or movement response or movement is response or movement is not determined by direction of stimulus. Then it is called this type of movement is called Gnostic movement. Or Gnostic movements are Gnostic. Okay, observe carefully. Okay. What is the example? Already we discussed about Thigmonasty. Thigmonastic movement. In which plant? In Mimosa pudica. In Mimosa pudica plant. Search me not plant. What? Search me not plant or Attipatti. Observe, when we observe this plant, leaves are folded in only one direction. Leaves are folded in only one direction. If we give the stimuli from any direction, listen carefully here. Even if we give the stimuli from any direction, what will happen? Leaves of the mimosa plant show responses only in one particular direction. Means here direction of the stimulus the direction does not determine the direction of the response. Okay. If you give, listen carefully here. For example, here this is a leaf. If you give stimulus in this direction, response occurs only in one direction. If you give here, only that direction. If you give in this direction, response only in that direction. If you give in this direction, or in this direction, or in this direction, any direction, response occurs only in one direction. Means direction of the stimuli or direction of the stimulus is, listen carefully here, direction of the stimulus does not determine the direction of the response. This is the Gnostic movement. Which type of Gnostic movement? Thigmonastic movement. What? Thigmonastic movement. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Now, in this type of responses or movement of plant, stimulus is touch. Okay, stimulus is touching. Next, response folding of leaves. Folding of leaves. Okay, this is important on here. Observe. Next, let us discuss about different types of phytohormone. Different types of phytohormone. Yes, different types of phytohormones. Already I told you, phyto means these are also called as plant hormone. Plant hormone. Actually, phytohormone, they affect the, listen carefully, they affect the growth of the plant directly or indirectly, positively or negatively. That is why phytohormones are also called as growth regulator. Growth regulator. Yes. Growth regulator. Okay. Plant growth regulator. This is also called as plant growth regulator. Means PGR. Plant growth regulator. Okay, plant growth regulators are actually two types. First one, growth promoters. Observe carefully here. Growth promoters. Next, growth inhibitor. Growth promoter and growth inhibitor. These are two types. Some are intermediate between the growth promoters and growth inhibitor. Okay. Already we discussed about phytohormone. How many types of phytohormones are present? How many are present actually? 5 phytohormones are present. First one, auxin. Second one, cytokinin. Third one, gibberellin. Third one, gibberellin. Fourth one, abscisic acid. Fifth one, ethylene. These are important 5 phytohormones present in plants. 5 phytohormones present in plants. Observe carefully. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, ethylene. Okay. Here, auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin. These 3 phytohormones act as growth promoter. Next, abscisic acid acts as the growth inhibitor. Next, ethylene. This is a intermediary hormone between these two types. It has, listen carefully here, ethylene has some growth promoter character, some growth inhibitor character. Some growth promoter character, some are growth inhibitor character. Are understanding? This is very important one here. Most of the characters of ethylene are growth inhibitor character. Okay, but when we compare these two, this is the intermediary one. But it has the more growth inhibitor character. Okay, growth inhibitor character. Actually, intermediary one. Okay, observe carefully. Observe carefully. Phytohormone. These are also called as plant hormone. Means plant hormones means one type of chemical. These are biological chemical. One type of biological chemical. Indole 3 acetic acid. For example, indole 3 acetic acid. Okay, means IAA. Indole 3 acetic acid. Actually, it is indole 3 acetic acid. It is a type of oxygen. Means a type of biological chemical hormones. Actually, in plants also, sorry, in animals also hormones present. Okay, hormones are also present in animals, but in animals, hormones are secreted by hormones are secreted by hormones in animals are secreted by some specialized organ. They are called endocrine gland. Endocrine gland. Endocrine gland. Very important gland. For example, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. Pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland. Ovary. Testes. This is important. Endocrine glands. They secrete the hormone. They secrete the hormone. Different types of hormone. Adrenaline hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, growth hormone, testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, like insulin, glucagon. Like this, there are different types of hormones. They have some physiological effects on the body of animal. On the body of the animal. Each and every hormone has some physiological effect in animal. For example, adrenal gland secrete adrenaline hormone. This adrenaline hormone is responsible for the emotions in animals. It controls the emotions. This is the main important physiological effect of the adrenaline hormone. What? Physiological effect of adrenaline. Like this, each and every one, growth hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, okay, or any other estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, all have special physiological effects in animals. Okay. Here in plants also, some hormones are released. These are also here chemicals, biological chemicals, one type of biological chemical. For example, indole acetic acid. This is a chemical actually. It acts as a hormone, that is the auxin. That is auxin. Here also hormones are present in plants also, but they are not secreted by the gland. In plants, glands are absent. Glands are absent, but some chemicals act like hormones present in animals. Means some chemicals in plants act as the hormone by regulating by affecting the different metabolic activities in plants. Different metabolic activities in plants. This is a very important one. There are different types of phytohormones. There are different types of phytohormones. What are they? For example, auxin. Next to cytokinin. Next to gibberellin or gibberellic acid. Gibberellins are gibberellic acid, abscisic acid, ethylene. These are very important 5 phytohormones present in plants. Okay. These are also called as plant growth regulators. Why? Because they are, listen carefully here, they are closely related to the growth, directly or indirectly, positively or negatively. Are understanding? They have the effect on the growth of plants, positively or negatively, directly or indirectly. That is why these are called plant growth regulators. Plant growth regulators. PGR. How many are there? 5 important phytohormones are there. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, ethylene. These are. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellic acid. They have the positive effect on the growth of plant. That is why they are called growth promoters. Growth promoters. Abscisic acid has negative effect on the growth. That is why it is a growth inhibitor. But ethylene has some positive effects on the growth and some negative effects on the growth. That is why this is an intermediary hormone. But maximum ethylene has more negative effect on the growth. That is why it is regarded as a growth inhibitor. Okay, here, observe one.